Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can add your websites to Google AdSense account and how you can put ads on your Google website. How you can put ads on your website. So first of all, you must have an active Google AdSense account and approved Google AdSense account, and you must have a website that is live on your domain. Okay, so I have a hosting on Hostinger, and I also have a website which is running perfectly. So you can see this is my website csctutorials.com, and here you can see it's not connected to Google AdSense. Means here you cannot see any ads on my website, so that means ki it's not connected to your Google AdSense account and you have not put any ad on your website. So first of all, this is my website and I will log into my Google AdSense account. And to open Google AdSense account, simply open your browser and type Google AdSense login. Okay, so once you type Google AdSense login, it will open some links. So just go to the Google AdSense. Okay, sign in Google AdSense. So once I click on this, it will open the Google AdSense account. Before this, it will ask you to choose an account. So you may choose any of these accounts. So I will choose an account from these. So I have so many accounts. I will choose this one because I have created Google AdSense account by using this ID. Okay, so it will logged in. So in your case, basically I have saved my credential. So in your case, you have to provide your Gmail ID and your password. Okay, you will come to this page, or this is the home page of your Google AdSense account. You can see here home page of your Google AdSense accounts. So basically now you want to add your website to Google AdSense account so that you can put ads on your Google AdSense on your website. So first of all, you have to go to you can see you have to go to the home page, and here you will see an option add sites. Because I have already add a site here, so you cannot see any button here because I have already added a website. So if you have not added any website, so you will see a button here, add site. So just click on that button, add site. So I will choose here because you may add more than one website. So I have already added this website, so I cannot see the button to add website. So I will go to add another website. Okay, so if you have not added any website, so you will see a button here, add site. So just click on this. Okay, and if you have already added any website, so you may choose another website. Just click on add another website and provide the name of your website and just click on save. Okay, so I have already added this website, so I am not going to add any another website. So if you have done this, so now you can go to the third step, which is connect your sites to Google AdSense. So just click on let's go. So when you click on let's go option, so it will show you connect your site to Google AdSense. So here you can say to copy and paste it, and basically this is showing to you to basically if you want to show ads on your website, you have to put some code into your web pages. Okay, so this is the code you can copy from here, or you can click on request review. So once I click on request review, you can see here a message, thanks for connecting the site. Means our website is now connected to Google AdSense account. Okay, so now you can go to ads option. Okay, so because now I have connected my website to Google AdSense account, now I want to put ads on my website. So just click on ads. Here you can say your website name that you have linked to Google AdSense account. If you have not linked any website, so you will not see any website here. And if you have added more than one website, so you will see all those websites here. So now here you can see an option auto ads. So if you want Google to put ads on your websites automatically, so you have to on this option. Basically auto ads are off right now, so just click on edit. So just click on edit and you can activate the button auto ads. So once you activate this, now Google will put ads on your website automatically. Means Google will do all the things automatically. You just need to do one thing, and which is put the code of ads to your web pages. Okay, that we copied right now, that we copied just now. So I will click to apply sites. After clicking on auto ads, I will click to apply sites, and now I will click on save. Okay, now you can see auto ads are on my website, which is csctutorials.com. So now here you can also see let's Google place ads for you. Means Google will place ads on your website automatically. You just need to do copy the code in your web pages, and you can get the code from here. So just click on get code, and this is the code. Just copy this, and I will click on done. So now it's done. You have connected your website to Google AdSense, and you have activated the auto ads on your website, and you have copied the code that you have to place on your web pages, each pages of your website on which you want to place ads. Okay, so now I will go to my hostings website, because I want to access my website's code, because I will put the code in my website web pages. So I will log in to my hosting. So when you click on logged in, it will redirect you to the home page of your website or ads panel of your hostinger website. So I will click, I have a website, you can see csctutorials.com, and I will click on manage. Basically I will go to the cPanel of my hosting. So just go to cPanel. It might be you are using any other hosting services, so it's same for all. Basically you have to access your website's web pages, that's it. So I will go to file manager, means I will go to the files of my websites, and now I will edit the code of my web pages. I will put the ads code on my web pages. Basically you have to put the code in your head section of each of your pages. So I will go to my public HTML, and these are the files of my website. Okay, that you can see here, it's my website. So basically I have to copy my code in my web pages, each of web pages. So I will go to my website. Okay, and I will go to the resources, and I will basically I have created this website by using Laravel. So I will go to the views, and there are the pages. Basically you can see contact page, downloads page, home page, layout page, and projects page, and videos page. And these are the pages. Here you can see home, videos, project, download, contact. So I will put the code in each of the pages. So you can put your code in your web pages. Where you have to put your code, just put your code inside the head section of your web pages. So I will edit each the pages. So let's select contact.blade.php. I will click on edit, and now I will paste the code inside the head section of my web page. So you can see here I have already put the code. So I will remove this, and I will paste the code here. Okay, so you have to paste the code in your head section, and you can put basically anywhere. So if you have your you have head section on your web pages, so just put inside the head section, or you can put anywhere. Okay, just paste the code here and click on save changes and close the file. So similarly I will do for all pages. I will edit all the pages and paste the code in all the web pages. I will click on close. So that's it. Once you paste your code in each of your web pages, just and I will also log out from my hosting website. Okay, so that's done. First, what you have done, first of all, you have added your website to Google AdSense. After this, you have activate auto ads option on your website. After this, you have copied the code which will make the Google to put ads on your web pages, on your website automatically. So you copied this code, that code, and paste the code in each of your web pages where you want to put ads on your website. So that's done. I will close this and I will refresh this. So now after waiting some time, Google will put ads on your websites and you can see ads on your website. So right now it's not showing any ad because I have done recently. I have done this recently. So after waiting some time, Google will start showing ads on your website. So if you have any issue, if you have any problem regarding this video, you may comment on the video's description box. You may comment on video. I will read all the comments and I will try to resolve your issues. I will try to resolve your problem. So if you like the video, if you have successfully added your video to the Google AdSense account, if you like the video, and share the video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you may subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video.